All right, boys and girls, happy Friday. Now today what we're going to talk about is one of the stories that we're going to read is called School Bus. And as you can see, there's a bus. And where do you think this bus is going to go? Right, to school. Now looky here, there's all different kinds of school buses. I don't want to give away too much because we are going to read it later. And the school bus goes along the streets and, they ride next to each other. And look, they all end up at school together. And look here, let's stop on this page. Now, as you can see, we've been talking about this week that all things that we see and touch are made of shapes. Now, look at these buses. I'll go to a page where there's just one. Now, a bus is made of shapes. What shapes do you see? Yeah, what else? Perfect. Yep, I see. Look, an octagon, circles, squares, rectangles, and a long rectangle, more circles. I mean, there are many, many, many shapes. Now, what I'm getting at here is that we, as people, can make things, we can take shapes and make them into something else. Like when you make a house, sometimes you might take a square or a rectangle and you might put a triangle on top of it. So we made shapes and we constructed them into an object. You could even make a tree. Look, a rectangle with a circle. So you could make a tree. Now you can make all kinds of things, houses, robots, people, apples, whatever you want. So that's what I want to write our morning message about, is how we can construct new things from shapes. So repeat after me. I can construct a structure with shapes. Perfect. One more time. I can construct a structure with shapes. Now, a structure is anything that's like a building or something big, an object, like skyscrapers are structures, statues are structures. Sorry, that's a very tough word. So you can use shapes to make something else. You could use shapes to make a face, maybe an oval, some circles, rectangle, triangle. I mean, there are shapes everywhere. So let's go ahead and write that message today. I can construct a structure using shapes. Ready? I can. What's the first sound you hear in can? K, 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 the letter C or K. This one is a C. I can construct. What's the first sound you hear in construct? K, k, k. This one is also a C. Now, what do you hear the same? Can, construct. What's the same about those words? Can, construct. Right, they both start with the same sound. K, 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 k. Can, k, k, construct. I can construct a structure using shapes. Good job. And we're going to go ahead and put a period at the end of this because we're just saying it. Now, I have a question, boys and girls. What shapes could you use to build a structure? Yeah, you can use all of them. Circles, triangles, rectangles, what else haven't I said? Octagons, hearts, stars. Any shape you want can make a beautiful structure. Now let's go ahead and read our sentence. Please follow along with your finger. I can construct a structure using shapes. Your turn. Construct a structure using shapes. Very good. All right. Let's go ahead and count some syllables. Here we go. Can you say construct? Get your rock ready. Construct. Ready, go. How many? Construct. 2 syllables. Very good. Structure. Get your rock ready. Structure, ready, go. How many? Structure. 2 syllables. Very good. Shapes. Get your rock ready. Shapes, ready, go. How many? Shapes. 1 syllable. Oops. Awesome job, boys and girls. So that's going to be your challenge today. And when we read the story, we're going to look at how the bus is made up of shapes and even the school. So that's going to be your challenge today, is maybe you could create and make a structure made of lots of shapes and share it with us. How does that sound? Awesome. Well, thanks for joining. We'll see you soon.